All right, folks, Tom Moore here, your local Halifax Realtor. Today, I'm doing a video on tips for first-time home buyers. Obviously, I've got quite a few friends who are looking to get involved in the space. They've asked me a few questions. And it's just, when you're first getting involved in real estate, you're looking to purchase. It can be a little daunting, right? It's a big financial decision. You want to make sure you have all that information. And, these are some steps to kind of get you started on the right foot. Let's hop into it. All right, so number one, get pre-approved. So, the reason why you go and do this, it allows you to kind of have an idea for what your budget is going to be. So when you start searching for a house, you're not searching for a property or house that's out of your budget range, right? You don't want to get into a situation where you're submitting an offer, waiting on conditional financing, and then the bank comes back to you and says, sorry, you don't qualify for this price, right? Because in that time, if you've been tied up in another deal, you could have missed something that was perfect for you within your price range, right? So when it comes to getting pre-approved, I recommend going to a mortgage broker. They have a lot more options, and they can really tailor the individual financing programs towards your needs. It's just a bit more of a custom process, right? So when you're getting involved in real estate, I always personally recommend a mortgage broker. All right, number two, make a list, right? So what this is going to be there for is to kind of guide you in terms of what the must-haves and what the nice-to-haves are in your home. Obviously, right now in Halifax, we've got incredibly low inventory. So having more nice-to-haves than must-haves is something that can help you in your search in terms of what's going to be able to fit in with that search. But this is something that you can go over your realtor, and it's something that will be changed as you go see houses. Maybe you see certain things you like, or maybe you realize that that's not something you really need. Whatever it may be, it's always good to have that list so that you at least know what you're shopping for, and you're not going hither and yon looking for something that isn't going to fit your needs. Number three, keep an open mind. A lot of folks that get involved in the real estate space, when they're first starting out, they see a property that they love, right? And this is before they're kind of educated on what's going on in the market, whatever it may be. But in a lot of cases, they miss out on that first property. So it's important to keep an open mind. Understand that there's always going to be another house that's perfect for you. It's just a matter of finding where that is, right? So, that first house, it may have had 5 of the 10 things that were on your list or whatever it may be, but the next house might have 6 or 7, right? So you always got to keep an open mind, stay positive, and really believe that next house is going to come out and you're going to get that deal. Number 4, ask questions. Obviously, this is a massive financial transaction, and it's something that's going to be very important in your life. So ask a lot of questions, whether it's the internet, your realtor, whatever it may be. It's very important that you educate yourself and understand the process to the best of your knowledge. Now, your realtor should be preemptively answering any questions you have, really guiding you through that process. But, there's no stupid questions, and always ask away. Number 5 is get an agent. This is pretty self-explanatory, covers a lot of the things that I kind of just talked about there, but an agent is going to guide you through that process. And on the buyer side, you don't pay for that. It's the seller side that pays for the agent. So really, it's almost a free service for you. So it's really important that you have that realtor. They're going to help you negotiate, advise you on the process, advise you on the market, an unlimited wealth of knowledge that in the end, when you're spending this much money on something, it's very important to have in your corner. Okay, folks, that's it for me. Tom Moore, your local Halifax Realtor once again. Have a great day.